You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn what is the meaning of this Roman numeral IX. How do you pronounce it? What does it mean and why? This is Roman numeral or number 9. X is for 10. Now, the I is for 1 and it's before the X, meaning that you subtract. You remove 1 from the number 10. So you got the number 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Meaning of the Roman numeral number 9. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.